Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the background in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So first of all, you open up Microsoft Teams, and after that you press on the calendar, and you either join a meeting or you create one. But simply say someone invited you to a meeting, so you simply just gonna join, and here you're gonna type the meeting ID, and down here you type the meeting passcode, and after that you join the meeting. And after joining the meeting, just gotta press on the camera right here just to turn it on. And after that, you press on mic. And then when it comes to the background, you just gotta press on here. And after that, you gotta select one of these backgrounds that you wanted to make as your main background. Let's say, for example, this one. And yeah, it's gonna be right here. And basically, your face is gonna be around this area. It's just gonna be the background shown back there. You can simply press on add now, and then you can add it. And after that, you just join the meeting. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.